Hey, what's up, Coffee Explorer? This week we're going to talk to Turgay Yıldızlı, the founder of Specialty Turkish Coffee, and he teaches us the best way to prepare Turkish coffee. It's going to be a great video. Stick around. Before we get into the main part of the video, I want to talk about the contests that I'm running right now. So, as you know, in the last video I announced that we had two winners. Won a bag of coffee from Sassy's Exquisite. I also announced that when we get to 100 subscribers, we're going to be giving out 4 bags of coffee from Sassy's Exquisite, 12 ounces each. Fresh roasted Highland Arabica from Vietnam. It's really awesome coffee. This week I want to announce that I'm going to be giving away 3 signed first edition copies of my book. I wrote it, published it last year. It's called Tales of a Traveling Coffeepreneur, A Journey to Find the World's Best Coffee. It's some really good reading material, and you can definitely go to the link below and pick it up from Amazon. Speaking of which, you may or may not know this, but when a YouTuber has Amazon links in their description, if you click on that, anything that you buy from Amazon over the next 9 hours, I think it is, your YouTuber that you use their link for actually gets a percentage of whatever you purchase from Amazon. So by doing that, you really help your favorite YouTubers out. We're all super grateful for that. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe like the pillow says. Give the video a like. Comment below in the comment section so you can enter to win either the books or the bag of coffee, whatever. We'll figure it out when you get picked to be a winner. And share it with your friends so we can actually get to the 75 and the 100 subscribers so we can give out these prizes. I'm really excited for it. But as for that, sip exquisitely and let's have some Turkish coffee.
Hello, I'm Turgay from Specialty Turkish Coffee. We're at Ska Coffee Expo in Boston. We're exhibiting specialty Turkish coffee. What we do, we try to improve the taste quality of this method, this traditional brewing method, and we have specialty grade, specially roasted for Turkish coffee, good quality coffee, and equipment for brewing Turkish coffee or cezve break. We have pots, stands, cups, all your need for brewing Turkish coffee and serving Turkish coffee. And today we are brewing Hawaiian natural processed coffee. It's a typical varietal. It's great, fruity, sweet coffee and great body. And we have special stands for brewing, for special setups with burners and stands. This is multifunctional stand. You can use this stand for Turkish coffee brewing, or you can remove this basket. It becomes a pour-over brew stand, and also you can put it upside down, raise your burner, and you can use it as a stove. You can heat your kettle. So one product, 3 function. And also we have the coffee shop version, big stations. At the same time you can brew pour over, AeroPress, Turkish coffee, great for coffee shop environments. We have different size pots, full set, very traditional, not only in Turkey, in Arabic countries, Middle East, Balkans, Russia. It's very popular, but very traditional. People try to use their family's recipe.
Right.
There's no standard, and coffee quality generally very low. It's not commercial grade coffee they use. The biggest difference between the other brew methods is filtration. There is no filtration, so coffee grounds will be in the cup. That's why we need to grind very fine, like powder. So, but when we grind fine, like powder, it can easily over-extract it. It can be bitter. So, with low quality coffee, with these difficulties, people start to add sugar, spices to balance that bitterness, and it became a standard for this brew method. But with good quality coffee, freshly grind coffee, and good quality water, proper equipment, we can create good tasting, pleasant a coffee experience. Because the mouthfeel is totally different than the espresso or filter coffee. It's in between.
We ship everywhere. There were a couple places where we've had problems with customers. Do you make these stores? Yeah, we do.
Here. So unlike the traditional method, we try to finish little early, 2 minutes brew time, and the end temperature is around 200 Fahrenheit. We don't boil it 2-3 times because the reason behind that brew method, they boil it 3 times.
Right. I've seen that.
They use stale pre-ground coffee and they expect foam.
Right.
So they create foam, pour just a little bit, put it again, create more foam, and then really reach the boiling temperature. And it over-extract the coffee. So it becomes a method over time. Please enjoy. It's too hot to drink. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, you can wait. And then, if you don't mind, just screen, you can open the surface. You know, traditionally, people like to drink with the foam, but the foam holds some coffee grounds. If you don't like it, we can open the surface and it cools down a little faster like this. So you can start that cleaner set. And then you can enjoy, and of course you shouldn't drink the bottom because it's all coffee grounds. Yeah, 4, 5, 6 minutes, it's getting more balanced. Acidity, sweetness, flavor. It has berry notes, chocolatey finish, very smooth, clean.
Thank you so much.
With these kits, you can take with you, and you only need water and coffee, all in this box. This is called STC Seyyah. Seyyah means in Turkish, globetrotters. So you can travel. Also, we explain the variables of this method, special Turkish coffee method, and we have a guide how to make a proper Turkish coffee with specialty coffee beans. Also, for the products, we have different prices for different sizes. These pots are very special, handmade in Turkey. The copper pots. It's very important main equipment for this brew method. Best material for this method is for the pot is copper because of the high heat conductivity. So when we start to brew the coffee, it heats. The heat travels all around the pot and start to extract from all surface immediately. And through the end of the brewing, we lower down the heat. We try to control the end temperature, so it reacts immediately and it cools down. So it creates nice foam, crema, and ideal temperature for drinking. These pots start from $55, goes to $90, and stands starts from $45, $60, and station models are little higher prices, but we have special designs, and we have pots, special trays like this for serving, traditionally serving. This is also another function. We can fold the handle very easy to serve. Or you can check our website www.specialtyturkishcoffee.com.
Well, thanks a lot, Turgay. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.